Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program, Preparation, Properties and Use of Polythene. Now we discuss polythenes are two types, lower density polythene and higher density polythene. Now we discuss first are lower density polythene. The lower density polythene density range is 0.910 to 0.940. It is obtained by polymerization of ethene under high pressure and higher temperature in the presence of trace of oxygen and peroxide. It is carried by free radical polymerization reaction. For example, higher molecule of ethene in the presence of higher temperature and pressure convert to polythene. Clear? Next, properties. Higher degree of short and long chain branches, intermolecular force is less, chemically inert. Use of the lower density polythene. The use of the lower density polythene insulation of electricity carrying wires and manufacture features of sequence bottles, toys and fixable pips. Clear? Next are high density polythene. The high density polythenes are density is greater than 0.941 gram per centimeter for when addition of ethene takes place in hydrocarbon solvent in the presence of catalyst such as a Ziegler-Natta catalyst and high temperature and under a pressure of 6 to 7 atm. The Ziegler-Natta catalyst is a tri- the Ziegler-Natta catalyst is a triethyl aluminum and tritanium tetrachloride are known as a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The properties of a high density polythene. Properties of a high density polythenes are low degree of branching. Lack of branching is ensured by the appropriate choice of catalyst, reactions conditions, strong intermolecular force, and chemically inert. Next, the most common plastics, the global production is 80 million tons and chemical formula is equal to C4H4 का whole and H2 are chemical structures. Very simple structure, the simplest of all commercial polymers. uh, in the structure of carbon plus two hydrogen atoms. In this structure are given below carbon double bond carbon attach hydrogen atoms. Next are physical properties. Polythene are thermoplastic polymer, consist of long hydrocarbon chain, white waxy, and many or may not be observable, depend on crystallinity and molecular weight and melting point. The melting point is typically in the range of 120 to 180 degrees Celsius. The polythene is a chemical properties, excellent chemical resistance, no attack by strong acid and strong base. Burns slowly with a blue having a yellow tips, gives off a odor of a paraffin can be dissolved in hydrocarbons, insoluble in water and most organic solvent. Polythene does not conduct electricity. Polythene can be dissolved at evaluate temperature. Process of polymer. Polymers process are monomers. Monomers unit connect to convert to polythene. The monomers is ethene, gaseous hydrocarbon with the formula of C2H4. Ethene must be of high purity. Ethylene is generated by dehydration of ethanol. Process of polymerization. Polymerization is a higher exothermic process. Metal chloride or metal oxide are used in polymerization reactions. Common catalysts consist of titanium third chloride are used in polymerization reaction. For example, ethynyl ethylene convert to here as a strong way to draw the polythene and polythene are and here to even shorter way. In these examples, ethylene convert to polythene. Process. Manufactures. cracking, decomposing, and petroleum small reactive ethene molecules can be rearranged. Ethene molecules are polymerized to long chain of the polythenes, and chains are close to each other by the weak bonds and are forming a material comparable with the fibers of the plate. Next usage of children's tools, bottle for bulletproof vest, packing, plastic bags, plastic films, bottles. ओके, ये होते हैं इसके यूज ऑफ पॉलीथीन्स. द ग्रुप ऑफ पॉलीथीन्स, अपने बोला हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीथीन, तो हाई डेंसिटी को अपन ये भी बोल सकते हैं HDP ही, हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीथीन, एंड LDP का मीनिंग लो डेंसिटी पॉलीथीन. क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू.